Welcome to North Hill Mazda. My name is Oleksii, and today I wanted to show you this very well kept, one owner 2012 Volkswagen Jetta Trendline. Painted in a reflect silver metallic, comes standard with a fuel efficient 2-liter engine paired to 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic. This vehicle equipped with the ABS brakes and stability control for safe driving in the winter. Inside, we have cloth interior with heated seats, height adjustable and telescopic steering wheel, and stereo that has aux port for your favorite tunes. Back seats are very spacious and going to feel good even for a tall individual. To look at this vehicle, visit us at northhillmazda.com or at 1211 Center Street, Northwest.